This is to make sure that only refrigerant will be entering our system. Understood? So it's either you release from you crack open here, release here, or you can release somewhere here. Crack open only. And then that's the time we will. Is that still in 0? Can you press again to 0? Okay, now we're 0 there. What will I do is I will just limit the opening here, so I will not send liquid to that side. Understood? I will minimize, I will open it, but small amount. Open, close, open, close. So how many now? We started with that. How many we're adding? Nothing yet? Okay, I will open, close. 0.2. Okay, we're getting 0.2 ounce. I will open, close. So this thing you need to be very patient. You don't open all the way. So as you can see, it's getting higher now.
Yes.
Okay.
And now we have 7.5.
Then I will open again,
7.6.
close.
7.7. Getting higher.
And now you see the changes now. It's melting, and then more.
The frozen parts are melting.
Yeah, and more coils are getting, what do you call that? Moist. We're getting 0.7 ounce.
Yes.
Can you do that? Can you add to the way I do? Close, open, something like that.
0.9.
0.9. So let's just make it 1. At least 1 ounce.
Open.
Okay? And the moist is gone, the frozen is gone.
Yes.
What is our current now?
Current is
6.86.
cover na bro.
Hindi. 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 Hindi.